Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So if your GCash payment just got declined, don't worry. I'll walk you through all steps to fix it and get your transaction working again. So for that, first of all, you have to make sure you have enough balance. Even small transaction fees can cause payment to fail, so always check your wallet before confirming any payment. So, after you do that, you want to go ahead and check for downtime. Sometimes the issue isn't you, it's GCash. So simply go ahead and check the official GCash Facebook page or visit Down Detector to see if there is any system maintenance or downtime happening. So, after that, you want to make sure you are connected to a stable internet connection and your GCash app is updated to its latest version. Outdated app or weak signals can cause transaction failure. So, after you check your connection, go ahead and visit your app store and then in the search bar, search for GCash and simply tap onto it. If you see update instead of open, go ahead and tap on update and let your application update to its latest version. So after that, if you're using a VPN, just turn it off. GCash may block transaction if it detects that your location does not match your registered country. And also, if it's still not working, try using a different payment method like a linked bank account or try again later, especially if the issue is from GCash end. And that's it guys, follow these steps and you should be able to fix the payment decline issue in no time. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and sub and I'll see you in the next one.